Now, 7 migrant workers who had returned to UP from Maharashtra a few days ago and had been brought to their home district of Basti in East UP in state government buses have now tested positive for coronavirus. These workers have been shifted to a local COVID-19 hospital in the area. The college where they had been quarantined is being sanitized, and everyone who came in touch with them are being identified and isolated. My colleague Alok Pandey brings us this report.
The information that we have right now is a little sketchy because the exact details are still coming in. But this is what local authorities in Basti, which is a district around 200 odd kilometers east of Lucknow. So this is what they're saying. They're saying that 7 more corona positive cases have been found in Basti. These 7 laborers had come from Maharashtra region via Jhansi in government buses to Basti. They were all quarantined in a college in Haraiya. Now that's a block in Basti. And sampling was done. Test reports have started coming in yesterday. They are now being shifted to a L1 COVID-19 hospital in an area called Mundarva. Heavy sanitization exercise of the college has already started. That's what the administration is saying. And they're also saying the situation is totally under control and there is no need for the public to panic. But I do think that it is very important to highlight that this again is a case where these migrant workers who have come in from a different part of the country have been found to be positive. So whichever bus they would have taken, there would have been other people in that bus. They will have to be tested. I believe our local reporter in Basti tells us that there was a situation where some senior officials of the government had gone on an inspection just a few days ago to the same college. So it will have to be checked whether they need to be isolated, quarantined, and also contact tracing of all these people will need to be done so that everyone who came in touch with these migrant workers will need to identify it. I think again the significant part of this story being the fact that these again are cases that have come in from outside. The UP government has brought over 4 lakh migrant workers home in buses since this entire lockdown began a month ago. While the number of cases among these migrant workers has been less, but this development that 7 of these laborers or migrant workers being found positive in one particular area is certainly cause for concern. We will await more updates on how the situation is panning out.